Think cheetahs are fast? Meet the bird that runs like one. The ostrich is the fastest running bird in the world, reaching speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour. It may not fly, but with its long, powerful legs and two-toed feet, this bird can outrun most animals on land, each stride up to 5 meters long. That's farther than a car length in one step. Ostriches aren't just fast, they've got stamina too, making them long-distance sprinters of the bird world. And if speed doesn't work, their kick can take down predators like lions. Drop an ostrich or wind emoji if this bird just sprinted into your brain.